my dream would come true, then my whole life would be built around you. For every time I close my eyes, I take a trip into paradise. And all at once I see you there. A feeling of enchantment fills the air. And as we embrace in a lover's kiss, I pray I'll never, never wake up from this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This stream of love in bloom stands above nature's other creations. Lets me know that I'll wake up soon. And this strange sensation, and that is why I kneel and pray that all my dreams will come true someday.